Hey guys, it's Stacy here with Modern Day Tech. I'm going to talk to you for a minute about this chicken carafe that I just got. I make a pot of coffee in the morning and I pour the whole thing in, and I can keep this coffee warm for up to 5 or 6 hours. I haven't left it any longer. I imagine it would still be warm after that amount of time, but I just drank it in 6 hours. It's pretty, it's nice and stainless. I haven't had any scratches or stains on it. The top screws on really easily, even with one hand. It doesn't spill. This is totally a leak-proof lid. The thumb valve is the only way to get the coffee to pour out of it, and it pours gently so it doesn't splash, which is a really nice thing. I can't get my hand all the way inside to clean it, but so far I've just washed it with soapy water, kind of swished it around. I guess I could probably use a bottle brush also. The cap has a couple little nooks and crannies, and I had to kind of wash that out in different directions and shake it a little bit. Not a problem, just definitely know that you need to wash the lid a little bit extra well. This has been a really great addition to my morning and my afternoon. I can have coffee morning and in the evening, and it still stays hot all day. It's just a nice, convenient little carafe to keep in the kitchen. I hope you found this video helpful.